In this CapCut Mobile tutorial, I'll show you how to add a folding text animation that gives your text a sleek and dynamic folding motion. Let's start step by step. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type the text you want to animate. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font that works well with this effect. Bold or structured fonts usually look best because the folding motion stays clear and sharp. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now switch to the Loop section, where repeating text animations are available. Scroll through the list and apply the fold style animation. As soon as you apply it, you'll see your text folding and unfolding continuously on the screen. To fine-tune the animation speed, use the duration slider. Drag the slider to the left for fast, snappy folding. Drag the slider to the right for slower, smoother folding. Preview the animation and adjust the duration until it feels right for your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a folding text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully explained CapCut Mobile text animation tutorials.